In the tranquil valley of Mecca, a sincere believer named Amir awaited the month of Ramadan eagerly. Deep in his heart, he yearned for nearness to Allah and a glimpse of the tranquility promised on Laylatul Qadr, the night of power. As Amir imagined that blessed night, he remembered the tales circulated among devout followers. The night when the Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, by Angel Jibril. The power and majesty of this event brought hope and awe to Amir's heart. Ramadan unfolded with days of fasting and nights imbued with prayer and reflection. Amir's life was enveloped in a sacred rhythm, and his soul felt lighter with each passing day. As the last 10 nights approached, Amir immersed himself in worship even more deeply. Inspired by the prophets, peace be upon him, example of unparalleled devotion during this period. One serene night, as the silver moon caressed the sands of Mecca, Amir felt a profound stillness in the air. He stood in prayer, his heart pounding with anticipation. As he recited the divine verses, the room seemed to fill with an unseen glow, and Amir felt a rush of peace and clarity. His vigil continued, with whispered du'as, and a soul opened wide to the blessings cascading from the heavens. In that intimate silence, Amir felt the embrace of divine mercy and the weight of his worries lift. The words of the Quran danced in his heart, powerful and comforting, guiding him through the darkness of the night and into the dawn. As the first light of Fajr appeared on the horizon, Amir knew in his heart that he had witnessed Laylatul Qadr. It was a night unlike any other, a night when the smallest act of devotion carried immense barakah, and every prayer was a breath of hope. Through this hallowed night, Amir realized the true essence of submission and peace, the very core of his faith in Islam. Laylatul Qadr became not just a night of power, but a guiding light for Amir's journey of belief and humility. The moral of the story is that sincere devotion and seeking Allah's mercy on Laylatul Qadr can transform hearts and strengthen faith.